to Go Bears Outdoors. Today guys, we're back in here in Ponachan. We're fishing the Ponachan Bayou again. It's a beautiful day. I was going to go in a kayak, but the kayak I'm bringing to get some work done to it, so it's out of commission right now. But I will be back in that kayak soon. So let's see if we can't catch some fish. Y'all guys stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So I swapped out the pole. Missed him. I just had one. I got him on the spoon, but I missed him. I just swapped out to a gold spoon. I'm about to show y'all. Basically, this is the gold spoon I'm using. Hooked on the swivel. It's made by H&H. Basically, all I'm doing is casting and casting by the trees and just popping it back. Might be Orlando. Yeah, look. That's him. Yeah, that was him. But yeah, that's basically all I'm doing, guys. Just casting it. You don't want to get it like too far up in there. Just popping. You know. Easy like little pops. You don't want to take your pole and just pop it like I was just doing right away. It's not Florida. But I do it anyway because I had a fish chaser like that before. But yeah, just a small little pops is real. That's basically all I'm doing. My wife, she's on the opposite side. She's catching small little bites. She's getting small little bites. That's about it though. But we're gonna go try in different spots today. We're gonna go try. Hey guys, welcome back. So I swapped out the pole. Missed him. I just had one. I got him on the spoon, but I missed him. I just swapped out to a gold spoon. I'm about to show y'all. Basically, this is the gold spoon I'm using. Hooked on the swivel. It's made by H&H. Basically, all I'm doing is casting and casting by the trees and just popping it back. Might be Orlando. Yeah, look. That's him. That's basically all I'm doing, guys. Just casting it. You don't want to get it like too far up in there. Just popping. You know. These are like little pops. You don't want to take your pole and just pop it like I was just doing right away. It's not Florida. But I do it anyway because I had a fish chaser like that before. But yeah, just a small little pops is real. That's basically all I'm doing. My wife, she's on the opposite side. She's catching small little bites. You know, she's getting like small little bites. That's about it though. But we're gonna go try in different spots today. We're gonna go try. Hey guys, we're back. Yeah, so I swapped it up from the spoon to a hoagie that I picked up in Leeville. I'm gonna show y'all that after. I just had a nibble up on it. I don't know if that was a flounder, but if it was, I would have kept it. This is the hoagie, small paddle tail. It's got the little flakes and all up in there. So that's what we're using right now. And then I'm gonna throw like 2 or 3 more times. If I don't hit nothing over here, we're gonna move further down. That was a miss. That was a miss. Yeah, so that one? Look, I don't know. That's number 2. Oh, okay, it's tangled. Error. Minor error. I have to edit that out. I have to edit that. There we go. Yeah. Just let it sink. All you do is like pop it and just reel in the slack. Just pop and reel in the slack. That's all I'm doing. Trying to get it over underneath them trees, but but the wife got 1, and I got 0. We shall see. It's starting to get hot, so maybe whenever it gets a little bit warmer, the fish activity is going to bite. I'm going to be doing a video over there at PAC. Try it at PAC. See what happens. Well guys, we're going to go ahead and stop here. I'm going to go move further down, and then I'm going to be right back.
Caught my first fish of the day. Wife 1, husband 0.
third one, guys. Oh, you got off. Guys, so my wife just got a nice fish off of a shrimp. That's her second fish. Hold on, let me see what she got. Like, oh, she got a nice drum. Real nice drum. Huh?
And he got off.
And he got off right at the end. What was it? Man, that was a real nice pull too. Just off the shrimp, guys. So that would have been her second fish. Your second fish? So it's 2-0, guys. 2-0. We're gonna go straight to the back there, guys. It's way to the back there where it opens up. We're just fishing right here, and then we're gonna go head out. So y'all guys, stay tuned. Guys, all right, guys, we're gonna stop it right here. She caught 3. I had 1, missed 2, and I got skunked today. She won. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. The next big adventure we do, we're going to Lafayette at the PAC and paddle. We'll get the kayak worked on, and you never know, we might stop and fish on the way. So if y'all like this video, leave a comment below, let us know what y'all think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Tight lines, everybody.